Matagal na ako pumapatay ng tao hanggang ngayon hindi pa sila nakapile ng kaso.
Mr. Chair, another addition to the list that's growing by the minute.
Alam nila yung pulis nila, pinatay ko.
Mr. Chair, as a final word, I hope and I imagine that the Department of Justice is watching dahil ang daming admissions ng dating presidente.
Admissions. Daghag admissions kaayo.
Kasaysayan na lang po maghuhusga. Salamat kayo, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, go ahead, Mr. President.
Nagtataka ako hanggang ngayon ang Justice Department hindi pa nag-file ng kaso hanggang ngayon. Katagal ko na.
Mr. Chair, another addition to the list that's growing by the minute.
Okay, for the record, Mr. President.
Yan sila, naging chief of police yan. Protektado po ang police pag nagtrabaho in the fulfillment of duty. Pero alam nila ang mga police na pumasok ng kidnapping, alam nila yung police nila, pinatay ko.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Di ba sabi ni PRD kanina, ang tagal na daw niyang nag-quote-and-quote pumapatay pero wala naman daw na-file na case sa kanya. Or bakit daw walang na-file. And kaya po ganyan yung nangyari. Kasi yung mga admissions, yung sinabi rin ni Senator Risa, ang dami daw quote-and-quote admissions also. Yung mga ganito po kasing statements ni PRRD, they are general statements or general admissions without identifying a specific case or a specific victim. Therefore, hindi po talaga siya pwede makonvict sa mga ganyang statements. Yun po talaga yung reality. Kasi in criminal cases po, what we need to establish is guilt beyond reasonable doubt. And with these statements, may hirapan po mag-prove ng guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Hindi ko naman po sinasabing guilty talaga sa PRRD. In-emphasize ko lang dito na we have rules of procedure na yun nga po. Kaya hindi siya na-convict despite na quote-and-quote ang dami na nga daw niyang admissions as per Senator Risa Hontiveros. Because kung ito lang gagamitin, it will not be sufficient to establish guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Familiar siya sa rules of procedure, familiar siya sa ano yung kailangan para ma-establish yung guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Therefore, he knows how to navigate himself within the legal system po natin. And the next question, is that correct? Bahala na po yung taong bayan maging judge dyan. Pero si PRRD dito, he is simply delivering his promise po dun sa campaign pa lang niya regarding the war on drugs. Yun lang po. Hopefully, klaro po yun. And if you want more legal videos, follow lang po kayo. And see you all next time po. Bye-bye!